Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu states in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, the sun got eclipsed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, embarrassed and scared as if the last hour had come. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam came into the mosque and performed an extremely long standing in the prayer, then extremely long bowing and extremely long prostration. I had never seen his performing the prayer in this way. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "These are Allah's signs, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sends. It is not due to anyone's death and birth, but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sends these signs in order to scare His bondsmen. When you cite anything of this nature, seek refuge in remembrance of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, invocation to Him, and pardon from Him." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2114.